My name is Freddie Haddix. I'm a farmer. I farmed all my life, and I've been presented an opportunity here to help farmers around the world to become better farmers. I've been presented with this opportunity to teach other farmers around the world. This opportunity will help me to increase food security around the world. It's not an easy thing, especially for a person my age, but I can do it. I am taking this opportunity right now to ask you to help me with raising money that I need in order to do this. Give whatever you can. If you can give $5, give $5, 10 or 20 or more, whatever you could do. It's for all of us. It's not just for me. It's to help feed the children around the world. So whatever you can do to help me in this great adventure, I'm asking you to do it. I appreciate it. I don't take anything for granted. Thank you. Thank you in advance for helping me to succeed this year at teaching people to feed themselves. Thank you very much. Thank you.